to you the brave new world of virtual reality and this crazy shit. All right. So first and foremost, I have the Oculus Rift S. It's got a jig rigged and working on a 16-inch MacBook Pro, running in Boot Camp Windows 10, which is probably the world's worst operating system known to man. All right. So I'm in Tilt Brush. Essentially, create a new sketch. And I was able to unlock some cool stuff. So for example, go to my wrist, more options, go into the labs, and you could actually pull images from your local media library on your desktop. So local images. So this is one picture I shot the other day. And so I think one of the coolest things with virtual reality and VR and stuff like that is the ability to, beyond just kind of like basic, fun stuff, but describing compositional things. So let's see. So subject here in the foreground. Then a little bit further back, we have this lady here. Then a little bit further back, you have a dude here. And this is where things kind of get nutty, where you could actually show depth. So then there's a dude a little bit further back. There's another lady a little bit further back here. Another dude here. Another dude here. Lady back here. And you could actually see. That's where things blow your mind. You could actually see behind the image. So, and I can even grab this image here, look at it. I could freaking blow it up however big I want to blow it up, which kind of blows my mind. So you get to see here, what I really wanted to describe is the notion that the composition, it starts here and it goes throughout the frame and it ends about here. So you could see this three-dimensional flow. So I'm starting here, and visually I'm kind of wandering through the frame. So once again, this is the reference image, right? So it's almost like I took this image and it's going like that throughout the frame. And in terms of the subjects, I got a subject here, got another subject here, the subject here, subject here, subject here, subject here, subject here, and this is kind of our endpoint. So hopefully this kind of describes it. So this is actually this is where things kind of get funny. Fun is in virtual reality, I could actually take pictures of pictures, either an automatic GIF to kind of try, and this is the hard thing, it's like, how do you describe three-dimensionality in 2D reality? And I think this auto GIF function works pretty good. I mean, certainly shooting video is useful. So let's say this is the original image. And in terms of the layers, it takes your eyes through the frame, through all these subjects, and down towards the end here. And you could even see how illustrated in 3 dimensions. So from here, I'm kind of going in this way through the loop and down to this main subject. Okay. And so, and the thing that gets really cool is I could actually shrink all of this to even better describe to you what exactly is kind of going on with the composition. So once again, this is our reference image. And this is where things kind of get fun. So let me also try to describe this another another way. Let's do the tune setting. Yeah, all right. So once again, so here's the image, and how would we describe this IRL or in real life? So let me see if I could change the environment. That's gay. Space. Transform. Snowman. Black, white, blue, illustrative. Maybe white will be good. Okay, so let's take a look at this image, right? So in terms of describing it, so once again, you have a subject here in the foreground, and then you have another lady here, then you have another dude here, and now you have another dude here, person here, there, there. And so you could see, this is actually pretty cool. So the composition, right? It's kind of weaving through here, and you could kind of create like a nice, arabesque composition where you're starting here and you're going throughout the frame here. You're kind of ending here, so you can see once again this kind of nice curve here. Also, in terms of just like other stuff in the composition. So let's say you have the subject here. This is the bookend frame. Person here. Right? Other lady on her phone. This lady here. Other dude on his phone. But here. Dude over here. People back here and stuff like that. So once again, maybe here it's a little, I think I illustrated a little bit better, where starting here, you're visually, your eye goes, travels through, and then ends about here. So let me take a picture of this. Also maybe better describe this. And also describe this. Right. Another example I could do is change the environment to show you. Alright, this is my Guardian alert. Where can I put this image? Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, so another way I could describe this is, I think there's, okay, I use these Pikachus. Okay, so it's kind of fun. Alright, so let's say that person here in the foreground is the Pikachu right here. Then you got Fox Friend, who's the lady there. And then let's see, who else do we get? Alfred Hitchcock is a dude back there on his phone, right here. In terms of scale, it's just here. sure the dimensionality kind of plays out correctly. Let's do, okay, astronaut dude, cool. It's over here. Mr. Bucket character. Okay. Just some. And then let's say robots. Okay. Oh, Black Panther. Well, this is actually pretty cool. Very dynamic. What's the point of buying toys if you could just play within virtual reality? Alright, so, anyways. Here, I think we got one more lady. What is this? That's pretty cool. Whoa, you could even see the light. Well, this is a sweet cockpit. Wow, I could even see the shadows on this. Holy moly. You could get into the cockpit. Well, that's really cool. I feel like I'm sitting in it. Anyways. Let's put that over there. Okay. Okay. Who's this? Okay. Another character. Okay. So composition kind of going like that. Okay, cool. So now you could see. Okay. Actually, I think this does a pretty good job of showing the three-dimensionality, and this is why I actually really like the AutoGIF. Let's see. I think there's a highlighter, soft highlighter to a highlighter. Okay. Let's do red. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So now you can see doing the reference image. You start off here, and you kind of go through this composition, and then ends about here. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's see if I could do the AutoGIF to just show that. And then this is like kind of the composition. Same just. This is also a good angle. And then let me see if I could record this. Taking your eyes through the composition. Also, let me record it. So Pikachu starts here, and going through the frame, and then kind of like that. To record this other stuff. Same concept, same notion. Same concept, same notion. Whoa. This is the future of creativity and teaching photography. Right, so, anyways. So once again, let's kind of scale this down. Out of disk space, damn it. Okay, so, yep. Looks like we got it. Motherfuckers. Out of disk space.